How to log into your Temu account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the web browser that you usually use your Temu account. Let me head over to Google Chrome. In the search bar, search for temu.com. It will land you on the official page of Temu. Right here you can see the profile icon. Tap on it and then click on sign in or register. You will be landing on this page. In this section, enter the email address or the phone number associated with your Temu account. But if you have created your account through your Google account, Facebook account or Twitter account, then you simply need to tap on these options. Well, I have created from my Google account, so tap on continue with Google. Select the account that is associated with your Temu account. There you go, you have been successfully logged into your Temu account. So that's it, and this is simply how you can log into your account. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching till the end.